Mhm. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Start the day off with drugs, you know? Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, let me get music. Choo, 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 choo. Okay. 200 million market cap for drugs. Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, AJ. Guardian, good morning. Welcome back, by the way. Carls, Ayo, Ayo, Dave, good morning. Jay, good morning. Raven, let's go. Chris, good morning. A, good morning. Virus, and Thrust. More, good morning. Chapman, good morning. Oleg, good morning. Manifest, good morning. Good morning. Abdu, good morning. Jason, good to see you. Good morning. Jericho, stay green, please. Not greedy. Mr. Clark, good morning. Good morning, guys. Lizzie, good morning. Bob, good morning. Jay, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, you had a good weekend and you're ready to cook. Ready to cook because we need monies, right? Right. Drug kind of sold off aggressively on Friday to end the day. I think people were just, happy and wanted to take the gains, which is understandable because that thing hit $80, 79, right? Can you believe this stock went from $1 to $79? I mean, we can because we've seen it happen so many times before, but really impressive. And sold up to 47 on Friday and then back to 60 this morning. So that looks good. Let's see if we can break above 60 and keep pumping. I mean, there goes the push towards 61. LGMK, I think a bunch of us took profits already on this one this morning, right? So this was a swing play from last Friday. If you missed it, you missed it, right? So I think we were getting in at what, right? When we posted that chart in Discord, it was at 858, just above 8 cents, right? The reason we took that swing come into the new week was because of this, right? Because of this beautiful looking daily chart. Look at that, guys. Look at that, right? So this thing was posted in Discords. Yeah, right? At that beautiful bottom. You know why this was posted in Discord? Because Raven. Because we saw this and we thought, ooh, Raven loves the bottom feed. This looks like a bottom feed penny stock. This is like a typical Raven play, you know? Well, guess what? This morning we ran all the way up to this price. So we went from that signal price all the way up there, right? So nice 65% gain, right? 60, 70%. So yeah, again, congratulations if you saw the signal, the swing, and you took it. You sold and took your profits this morning, right? Easy monies, right? So congratulations. Cool, cool. Uh, so let's see if this thing does anything today, though, right? Was sitting at 12 cents. It's done a really good job holding 12 cents, actually. I think we might have a line here, but really this line should be moved a little bit lower to 12 cents ish, maybe a little bit below. Anyways, but yeah, so let's see if we can stay above that bottom. ISPC is another one that looks really interesting, but it's also just going sideways. Like it has that vibe of like one of these names that, like just sits there in pre-market going into the open and then does some crazy stuff. So we're gonna keep watching this one closely, especially if it stays in that range, right? You can see the bottom of the range, right? You can see the bottom and you can see the top. So we just keep going back and forth for now. It's gonna need to break either below the bottom and then to the abyss, or break the top and then send it. Which way we go? Not sure yet. Not sure yet. GRI, this was a good one, right? Again, this is another one of those reasons why we keep telling people to join us in Discord because that thing started moving at 70 cents. It ended at $2 and what $2.25, right? And here we are going into the open, and it's holding a demand zone at 160. Like 160 is support for GRI, so we're gonna pay attention to this one as well. SYTA, like I mentioned earlier in Discord, resistance at $2.70, right? $2.70. So and GNPX is another one that's looking interesting. BIVI. This was the one from Friday that we kind of ended the day with, from $1 as well all the way to $4 and something today. So yeah. And then obviously drugs. Ryan, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Chambers, good morning. Hello. Alan, good morning. Samuel, good morning. Trevor, good morning. Love yourself, love others, love the decisions you make, good or bad. Trevor, yeah, right. Just make a decision, and then yeah. Sabis, good morning. You've been waiting for today. Why manifest? Are you connected and good to go in Discord? Doche, good morning. I was about to say Diddy, but anyways, Richard, good morning. Turtle guy, let's go. Good morning, everybody. Okay. Make sure my watch list is good to go. Don't think anything's changed for me this morning. Just making sure. Okay. ISPC. Okay. So drug, obviously, ISPC still looks interesting there. GRI, we still like SYTA. Also doesn't look bad. Okay. One second, guys. La, 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 la. And then, well, okay. Profile. Almost ready, almost ready. I coming. Okay. Let's go. Raven. Raven hit the daily goal, guys. Already met the daily goal. Raven, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Much love, Raven. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep inspiring more penny swings, please. More bottom feeds. Thank you very much, Raven. And make more daily goals, please. Alrighty? Keep making those daily goals. Let's go. Uh They said there was a news for drug and a few more. Uh, oh, I see. I see. Yeah, there's a bit of a headline there. So this is the headline they're referring to. So Bright Minds, Bioscience, and Firefly. Wasn't Firefly? Isn't that a stock as well? Again, whatever this means, right? So I tend to ignore stuff like this honestly, just because these companies will make it seem like, oh, okay, this is why the stock is running. Meanwhile, the stock has been running for $1 for no reason, right? So, sometimes you need to tell them, Daddy, chill, chill, you know? We don't need any news for drug. You don't need to ruin it. Just chill. You can do news when the stock goes back to $5, you know? I say when, it's just yeah, because it's just a matter of time. Um, Good morning, me. And yeah, ready for a good day? Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, drug is struggling a little bit at $60, right? A bit of a T-Rex. LGMK is also selling off closer to the 200 EMA. ISPC is still just sitting here, not sure what it wants to do. GRI, same thing, right? And then SYTA. These last three names kind of look like one of them might pop at the open, but we will see. Yeah, GNPX has been trying to get back above the VWAP, but it just hasn't. And then BIVI pre-market high was what, 490? Okay. Something to watch for sure. Question for you guys going into the open though: what's your favorite stonk? What's your favorite stonk going into the open? while I look at this list. What is your favorite strong going into the open? La, 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 la. Yeah. See, I think SYT, ISPC, yeah, LGMK. Okay. Simo, are you in LGMK or you're still looking for an entry? Trevor, let's go. SYTA. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Right. It's going to be between SYTA, ISPC, and GRI. So one of these names will, yeah, SYTA definitely looks very interesting. The only problem you're dealing with is a lot of supply. The closer you get to 270, and then after that, you're looking for closer to $3. Max, good morning. Yeah, I think yeah, okay, just below 10 cents. Okay, good. At least you're still green in that position. That looks interesting, doesn't it? ISPC. Hmm. Very, very interesting. But it's below the 20 in the view up though, even though it's at the bottom of the range. Okay. Do, do, do. Yeah, so there goes. That's the problem, right? Is it might be at the bottom of the range, but it's sitting below those really very important moving averages. So then that's a problem. SYTA needs to break above 270. We talked about that already, right? If we break above 270, you're looking for closer to $3 in SYTA. So we shall see if this one can give us the boom skis into the open. Has a lot of volume too, which is good. GRI still just sitting there. Okay, what does this one need? Hmm. Okay. I think for this one we might just be watching that 160 support, right? $1.60. What's the top gainer again, anyways? GRI. Okay. Top gainer. Sounds good. You notice how we haven't really been talking about the top gainer curse lately? Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe it's a good thing. Okay, I'm just looking. Ayo. Good little morning. Good morning. Good morning, Dan. Unbelievable. You think it runs at the open? Yeah, as long as it stays above $1.60, I don't mind it. And then SYT is looking good. ISPC looks like it came back to the bottom of the range at 740 and then popped as well, right? So like these three names we're looking at, they all seem to just be behaving in a specific pattern for now. So below the moving averages, it drops to the bottom of the range, 730, 740, right? And then back to 760. So we shall see. LGMK, I mentioned earlier, right? Watch that 200 EMA at 1150. 1150, alrighty. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us, alrighty. Keep an eye on Lumen. Yeah, yeah. Lumen had some news with Meta this morning. Usually, you want to pay attention to names like that. You want to pay attention to that stuff. Let's see. Okay. What chart is this? Hmm. Let's see. Perfect. Let's get the party started. Yes, please. Good morning, Kimbella. Good morning, Martin. Kobe, good morning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So again, 270 resistance for SYTA. It's kind of looking like it wants to go ahead and break that level, doesn't it? Yeah, it's looking like it wants it. So that might be number one going into the open. GRI is still holding $1.60, so that's good. ISPC is still holding $7.40, so we can't really throw that in the garbage yet. Drug, obviously, again, let's see what happens when the market opens. Let's see if that thing can hit this demand zone, maybe, right? A retest of that breakout and then curl back into the 60s. That would be nice. That would be nice, you know? Yeah, no, you know. Okay, let me go back to SYTA. Just again, keep in mind you have a little bit of resistance the closer we get to the 70. Alrighty. But if you're holding SYTA, type in yes in the chat. Anybody in that already? La 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 la. Okay, sounds good, Jeff. Yogi, you are okay. Sounds good. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go, Yogi. Here we go. $2.70. Did we just make new highs? Yeah, it just did. So new highs of the day for SYTA. Looking good. Ayo, Grim. Ayo, ayo. Speaking of Grim, okay, I'll give it a second. I want to see if this thing can close above 270. Ready? So here's that resistance in the supply zone. La 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 la. And into the open. Okay, sounds good. Hoping for cap. Sounds good. Yeah, just be mindful that it's up 170%, right? So there's nothing wrong with locking in some profits. Lori, good morning. Saints, good morning. Lorenda, good morning. Chris, good morning. Hello, hello. Yogi, good morning. Anyway, so another one of the reasons why we tell you to upgrade your membership so you can see the swing alerts, you can see other stuff, right? So this was a post from Captain, one from many other people that said thank you to Grim, right? So again, Captain just woke up and said, "Oh, I made $4,000. Look at that." Right? $4,000. Uh, and he woke up late, which is wild, which is wild. He says, "Hey, I just woke up. Holy SHIT. Thank you. I swung. I made $4,000, right? 4K, right? And then he's like, yes, upgrading my membership paid off, right? Do you think upgrading your membership costs $4,000? Maybe for like the rest of your life, it would cost you $4,000, maybe. But clearly that membership is free now, huh? Right? So Grim, let's go, my God. High five. Well done. Congratulations, Captain. Good job. Right? So again, that's what happens when you invest in yourself, right? Stop missing out on opportunities that are right on the table. You just have to enter the next door, is all sometimes the opportunity is behind the door, you just have to open it. But instead, you stay in the other room, because you're hoping that the opportunity come meets you, and it never does. And then you hear partying in the other room. You're like, what's going on? What's going on? Let me go find out. Nah, let me just wait, you know and then soon. Anyways, unless it's a Diddy party, yeah, exactly. Let's go, Grim. Well done. Archer, good morning. Queen, good morning. Azul, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Markets open in 2 minutes. SYT is looking beautiful, right? So just be mindful, please, with the market opening in 2 minutes. You might see people take profits on a stock that's up 170%. Anything wrong with that? No, right? So just be careful. It looks really, really good. If the market wasn't opening, there's no weakness in this stock, no weakness at all. The only problem is when the market opens, like stuff becomes unpredictable, right? You see all these crazy candles up and down. So that looks good. GRI is still holding $1.60, which is good. ISPC still playing with that same range, not looking too hot. LGMK not looking hot either, right? And then what's Drug doing? Drug is holding 47.57 for now. Yeah, it's kind of holding that retest breakout as well, so that's good. So that is good. Yeah, yeah. Maybe it's gonna be the first one to halt at the open, SYTA. Maybe. So we open in 50 seconds. Be ready to rumble. BITO. Will says so much info on the server. I get lost in it. Yeah, I did not see the swing. Yeah, yeah, I know that there is a lot, and with time it's going to be a lot easier for you. Will, don't worry about it. Yeah, Grim sent out an alert on what up. Yeah, so he sent out an at everybody alert. Uh, for that swing. So it should have notified you, but again, like sometimes there's a lot of stuff, and yeah, yeah, yeah. So open the markets, please. Open the markets. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. So Grim sent out the alert on the 18th saying, "Hey everybody, I'm swinging GRI." Right. So there goes your open. There goes your yeah. No, that's okay, Grim. That's okay. Yeah, yeah. You might just have to post it in the swing channel next time. I can set a stock general so then it doesn't get lost. But so that's your expected sell off, right? Market open, gap up, sell off. Alrighty. So again, that supply zone at 270 needs to be broken again so we can close above it. But now just be careful, please and thank you. Right? LGMK, abyss. ISPC selling off. GRI has actually done a really good job holding that 160 still. There it goes. There goes GRI. So nice little support at the bottom here, at above 160, right? Nice little base there. Hmm, not bad at all. Are we halted in this one? No, not halted. It looks like it's gonna come back and retest this demand zone though. So anywhere between like 245, 250. Hopefully we stay above that, right? 245 and bounds for SYTA. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. Sheesh. 245. Give us the bounce already, you slacker. There we go. 255, 257, 260, 262. Going once, 263. So nice little bounce up the demand zone for now. Let's see if that thing can keep bouncing. Pizza. There we go. 63 going once, 66 going twice, 69, 73, 77, 82, 84, 85, 86. Come on, 87, 90, 91. Let's go. Come on now. What a pop. Sheesh. Even a DD party could not my goodness, that thing popped hard. Damn. It's because Peter showed up in the chat. That stock said, pizza's here. It's time to go, SYTA. It's time to go. My goodness. My goodness. That was a nice pop, Trevor. That was a nice pop. Anyways, I think we mentioned so 270 and then $3 for resistance, right? So the closer you get to $3, the more resistance you're gonna have out there. Up there. Archer, high five. Well done. But again, so we basically just came back to retest, right? Retest the breakout. If you look to the left hand side, this level was kind of a breakout and a double bottom and a demand zone at the 50 EMA. So there are quite a few things happening in this little bottom range, right? So it just hit it at the open and then said, thank you, goodbye. But again, your next resistance is closer to $3 there. So let's see if we can break above that. GRI failed at resistance, $2.80. Alrighty. ISPC really isn't doing much either, still deciding what it wants to do. Um, it looks like a BIVI is popping as well. Next resistance is 460, and then you're looking for closer to $5. And then this one is GNPX and yeah, again, typical market open though, right, guys? Like just volatility all over the place. Drug is another one too, right? Drug dropped all the way to 52 and then popped to 59. So again, we've mentioned this so many times. If you're not sure what to do at the open, just kind of sit back and wait, right? Sit back and relax a little. 460. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, this one's been going since Friday from that $1 level. 100% now. How to be sure, Will? Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. I think you're a gold member now, right? And you should have a session at some point. So we will definitely talk about it. We will definitely talk about it. What is that? 490? 485. Okay. Pizza. Don't worry. Just wait till next weekend. I play Peter in fantasy next weekend. The way I will slap this man. He will make him question his decisions. Anyways, LGMK is trying to get back up there. Look at SYTA, right? SYTA was looking so beautiful, but then it hit resistance and came all the way back down. This is the problem with the market open, right? This is the problem with the first 5 minutes. First 10 minutes is these stocks are all over the place. You have to lock in those gains quick and then let it consolidate, make and then you make brand new decisions. Righty? 5% watching for more volt. Okay, LYT. Good morning, BLK. Happy trading. Go Bills. Go drugs. We can't be chanting for the Bills in the markets. Chance for something else. Even a Mullen, you know. Is it halted down? Yeah, it's halted. It halted down. Looks like ISPC is holding that 200 EMA though. Let's see if it can give us levels. Yeah, well, we're in that little weird phase, you know. In that little weird phase where like there's a whole bunch of names that could potentially go, but you're still being cautious. GNPX looks like it's popping as well. So drugs, what are you doing? Come on now. Yeah, I saw the GNPX pop there. Mhm. Yeah, look at BIVI, right? That thing was looking so good. It's all the way back to almost the level that we opened at. Like, yeah. So be very, very careful, please. Volatility. Drug. Soccer until place. No, it had to be something for all the sports, you know. GNPX. $2. Newsy. 81 cents. Woof. GNPX just shot right up. Shot right up to the highs of the day. My goodness. It might that little pop that might have halted the stock. That little pop there, yeah, the stock just halted. ISPC is absolutely cooking now too, isn't it? Yup, right up the 200 EMA, kind of close. ISPC. SYTA is still looking ugly. Yeah, right. If you locked in those gains at the open, congratulations, because now it's looking very weak. So it's gonna need. It would be nice if that thing came all the way down to $2 and consolidated, but that's a pretty big drop though. So don't know if we wanted to drop that far, right? GRI has a bit of a demand zone at 145, so let's see if we can stay above that 145. Just be mindful that we're below all these moving averages now. The only thing that could potentially keep it up is that demand zone. So be careful, please. Yeah, ISPC is playing with $8 now, from 660 to $8. Was that a sharpie on your face? Ooh, look. Anyways, like right there. Ah. I didn't see anything then. I did not see anything. Um, Currently traveling. Yes, it's halted. Yes, it is halted, Chris. Do, 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 do. I think Chris is in this one, so he's celebrating. Mm, the other have to play, but let's see what thinks as well. Mm, 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 AMD calls 160 11.8. So the beginning of next month. Comment loss. Yeah, AMD. Let me look. ISPC just got slapped and halted down. Like these stocks are crazy at the open. Crazy. Good morning, Nemo. Let me look. AMD. So you have some 160s. AMD is actually green this morning. Wow. Mm, see, I almost would be virus. Are you in the chat? Yeah, I see. Yeah, I don't know if I would get rid of like all of that position, like you said for sure though. So I on the same page with that one. What's the bottom of like? So I'm looking for the bottom of last week's candle. So the weekly candle is what I'm looking at, virus. So the bottom of last week's candle was 54. So 154, 154.90. Let's just call it 154.90. So as long as it stays above that level, I feel like I'd be okay with it. Right? So 150, 154.90. Because then if we don't break below, yeah, exactly. If we break below that level, oh yeah, that opens up all the way to the 200 on the daily to 152-ish, right? Opens up all the way down there. But for now, yeah, if it can just find a way, because the S&P was red and it's found a way to stay above last week's low. So yeah, I think Jericho is in the chat too, right? Jericho. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So for now, I agree with virus. You know, as long as we stay above like that 50 that 155 ish, right? LGMK is cooking again, guys. Cooking. So again, if you're still holding the swing, congratulations. If it stays above 10 cents, congratulations, right? Good job. The theta and is okay, yeah. Yeah, the theta and then 20, yeah, is red. Yeah, exactly. And then today is the 21st. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so GNPX unhalted. Oof, look at that thing cook. Where's Chris? Chris is gonna be smiling like a goat. Oof, cooking, Chris. He's traveling and the monies is coming in. Where's GNPX on fire? 102, 145%. Cook. Newsies at $2.20 now. Okay, wow. The famous 220. Drug is going up a little bit. Drug is popping $59 back. So 59.80. Ooh, 59.90 drug. It's GNPX and Drug competing for first place. Is Drug halted at $60? Come on. Mm, mm, mm. That's a pretty big bid, isn't it? I just be ready to it's a very big bid. Yeah, drug is halted up then. Yeah. Yup. I mean, honestly, this stock just needs to go. Like this stock just needs to go to $100 and be done. You know, uh, doing with AMD looks like exactly virus exactly. So GNPX is also halted up. That's why that big bid showed up. So GNPX looks really good if you're holding it. It's halted up. Drug is halted up right below that resistance again, $60, and that's about it, right? SYTA looks like it bounced up the of that VWAP at 220 ish, $2.20, and then LGMK. This thing would need to clear $14 if it wants to cook again. But if you're holding GNPX, type in yes in the chat. No, it's okay. If you're holding a GNPX, type in yes in the chat. Yeah, for us, let me know what your position is for GRI. I'll take a look. Because that thing does not look good, right? It really hasn't given us a reason to touch it at the open, right? Like there's been no reason to look at this and say, oh, it's consolidating. Oh, it's the 200. Oh, no reason here at all. SMFL, really? That thing's at 0.01 now? Nastiness. Nastiness. ISPC, yeah, retesting it's halted down. Halted down. Yeah, I'm holding these. Samuel says yes. Nemo says yes. Ange, yeah. Knows. Nemo. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, you guys should be very, very happy. It's halted at 168%. So congratulations. Drug is also halted up. So Azul is smiling with that. Azul, straight to jail. And then here goes LGMK. So LGMK looks beautiful. This was a swing last week. Again, we keep telling you guys to come join us in Discord. And again, if you don't have the right membership upgrade, right? LGMK is back up to 60%. And this was again. That's a screenshot of why we wanted to buy it, right? Again, that's teamwork, right? So again, beautiful bottom on the daily, beautiful bottom on the daily. So Jordan, if you haven't upgraded yet, you're missing out on all these plays, right? So you missed out on an easy swing, right? Membership paid for, money's, right? This was another one again from Grim on Friday, right? GRI, right? Again, GRI. Captain made $4,000 in this play, right? Just by upgrading his membership and seeing the damn play, right? So even though GRI is dropping right now, it's still up 140%, right? It's dropping and it's still up 140%. Isn't that crazy? So again, invest in yourself. Yeah, yeah. Pizza? Maybe. So yeah, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us in Discord. Stop missing out, right? Stop missing out. Stop missing out. Let's go, Yogi. Give me a high five. Let's go. So let's see if we can get back above 14 cents on LGMK and stay above it, right? Break Z14 and stay above Z14. It looks like we're about to make brand new highs here. Yeah, trying to. Trying to. Yeah, so GNPX is still halted, so is drug, guys. So let's see what happens with those two. La 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 la. Love it. Perfect. Love it. Love it. You upgraded, Ty. So you're not having an issue. You just have to follow the so you just have to follow the steps in the video in the getting started channel with the right email. So that's usually the problem. So the link that I sent you, I'm going to send it to you again. Already. So that's your link. So again, this is the link at the bottom of the chat. Unless you had a different link, once you click on that link, it takes you to Discord. Follow the steps in this second link. Right, that's a video. That video is going to walk you through on how to connect, and then you should be good to go. GNPX is unhalted, guys, and it looks like it's hitting that famous 120 resistance. That thing said resistance. Catch me outside. Oof. My goodness. Congratulations. Congratulations if you're holding GNPX. Drug is also halted, but drug for some reason can't seem to break above. So $1.20 is always resistance every single time. Every single time it's resistance. $1.20 is always resistance. So is $2.20. So is $4.20. So is 469. Anyway, psychological levels, right? So now GNPX is halted down, right? So halted down. Drug unhalted popped all the way to 62.50, 63 almost, but then it's still having issues at 60. So you can see like all the pre-market, like this 60-ish has been a problem. So it's gonna need to break above that. Yeah, nose, beautiful, right? Beautiful. Congratulations. Again, $1.20. How many times do we see these stocks push from like the abyss to $1.20 and then crash? So in this case, though, it might just be a retest of $1, and then maybe we go back up, but we'll see. Ready? So drug is going to need to break out. GNPX again is halted down. SYTA playing games. That was a good bounce for you there, Yogi, because then you sold that thing and it's coming back down. GRI still needs to decide what it wants to do. ISPC, same boat, right? Weakness. There's no signs of like anything positive here on ISPC. And then LGMK, kind of want this thing to cook to 20 cents, you know? Kind of want it to cook to 20 cents. At 60? You did, Nitro? Dang. That's okay, though. You made monies. You made monies. Dang. Well done, Yogi. Yeah, especially after you hit that daily goal, because your daily goal is nice. Right? So especially after you hit the daily goal, there's no need to stay in there and, and play around. La 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 la. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Chung. Yeah, people have been since last Friday, right? From $1, $2, $3, right? Random stayed where? Oh, Newsy. Okay. Glad I stayed and held even bought more Newsy. Yeah, don't get in the habit of doing that though, please. Don't get in the habit of like stop not working and then you stay because Newsy is working, but yeah, might not always the case, right? Not always the case. Come on, LGMK, let us cook, please. Make pizza pomo, please, and thank you. Uh, psychology, halt psychology. I mean, honestly, there is a bit of like a strategy that comes into playing halts. So, yup. Is it a surprise that we're failing at like 1420? It might be like a penny stock, but it's still failing at that level, huh? Crazy? No, not crazy. BIVI looks like it's pumping again, guys. Oh my days. Sheesh. My goodness. Did they hold that thing on that candle? Wow. They did. They did. Yeah, they halted it up. My goodness. Random? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I mean, this was a good retest, right? This is why we have these lines on the chart because that was a good retest of like the demand zone, the VWAP, and the 200 EMA. Yeah. Peter, you're not wrong, you know. You're not wrong. A SPAC slap is different because that thing makes you feel pain. It makes you feel pain and it makes you regret. You know when you're holding a stock and it skips $2 for no reason in the wrong direction, then you know, then you know what pain is. You know, like okay, 2 cents. You know when the stock is dropping 2 cents at a time, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents. You know you're panicking, right? But have you ever seen a stock drop $2 at the same time? Ah, you look around, you're like, wait, 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 wait. What just happened? That's what a SPAC will do to you. That thing will slap you. There we go, guys. 14.50. Woof. LGMK. There we go. 15 cents. Love it. Love it. Keep cooking, please. Keep cooking. Keep cooking. Woof. That looks nice. You have been entered. Exactly, Dan. My day. You made your daily goal. Patiently waiting for a good trade. Absolutely, Nitro. Absolutely. So again, congratulations if you swung this one, right? This one was served on a plate for you at the end of last week, right on Friday. So 10 minutes before the market closed, right? We like this one. So this would have been a nice easy swing for you for 70% or 50% or 40%, whatever it is, right? You take your monies. Yeah, yeah. So love it. Keep going. Give us 20 cents, please. GNPX is on halted, guys. Right. It looks like we just came back to retest the night. That was a really good run. Again, really good post from Grim on Friday, right? This was posted on Friday as well as a swing play on Friday, right? From 40 cents, right? From 40 cents all the way to $1.20. So yeah, actually this was anyways, this one was a bit different. Moving on. Drug looks like it just keeps failing at $50, $60. Grim, wrong name. Yeah, so it looks like drug has a big issue at $60 there as well. So retesting the 50 again. That is a bit sus. GRI, nothing. BIVI still halted at $5.38. Um, yeah. You sold too early, Richard. You sold at 14.20. That's okay. You made money, right? But I made $277 exactly. Don't worry about it. Gwendolyn, it looks good. The question is, like? Are you in a position, or you're looking for a position? I know, right, Grim? Love it. It did cook. It did cook. Yeah. Yeah. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, again, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbot and come join us. What are we looking at here? Tesla puts. What does Tesla look like? I haven't looked at Tesla the last few days now. For the last few days, there goes GNPX again, guys. So again, this was just a retest of the dollar range, right? The 9 EMA, and then pop. So $1.20 is still resistance, though. Virus, it's time. Okay, so let's get virus. I'll catch you later, virus. Be safe. Alrighty. Much love. Later, later. Willy Wake, yes, it halted up at 5:38. Funny name. Funny, funny. Later, later. Yeah, looks like LGMK hit 15 cents and came right back down. So, yeah, always up to you to on in terms of like how you manage your position, right? So, really good trade from 8 cents, 9 cents to 15 cents, still at 13 cents. So, yeah, completely up to you in terms of like how you manage. Let me take a look at the S&P and Tesla really quickly though. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla just looks weak, honestly. Just looks weak. Uh, but at the same time, like at the same time, it kind of is sitting at like an interesting level, isn't it? Hmm. Is it gone? Yeah, it's gone. BIVI is gone skis. My goodness, look at that thing go, guys. Oof. This again, this stock was at $1 on Friday. $1 on Friday. Okay, $1, and then here it is dropping from 7. My goodness, crazy. Someone taking someone. Uh, okay. So I mean, it looks like your next level is 49, Jimmy. So if you look to the left hand side, right, $49, and then below that you're looking for 45 and then 42. Alrighty. So I mean, yeah, that's actually that's absolutely beautiful the way that it just came back down and popped, right? So this is 49, bounce once. That's 49. That's 49. It just hit 49 for drug, and then immediately popped to 53. So it looks like someone is sitting at 49 with a stick, saying, "Hey, you better behave and go back up." I bet you it's Azul. So yeah, nice little pop for now at 49. So that's your next level. There goes 53 again. GNPX 116 back to 93. Ready? And it's actually halted down now. These stocks are wild. BIVI, my goodness, what a monster! What an absolute monster! $7.30. Uh, there we go. Do do do. To assist. No, that's gonna be Eze. Eze, pizza. Eze. What a useless player. Come on, drug. Why aren't you at $80 already? No, Jimmy, I haven't looked at that. NKG yet. I have not looked. Yeah, that was a good pop though. 28%. Yeah, drug really bounced up 49 and like it really popped up that level. That's almost a $6 pop now. That's really good. I'm sure you're gonna have a bit of resistance here though, just because you have the 9 and the 200 sitting there, right? So just be mindful here at 50, 55, 56. So there seems to be a bit of a thing there, or not. Let's see where that candle ends up closing, right? So right in between that 55 and 56, and then go from there. uh, Can you start announcing when you post an alert in Discord? Yeah, it does, Captain. Usually, and at everyone, it sends you an alert. Uh, so every time you see the number one beside or the number two or the little red numbers on the channel, it's because there's an alert in there that you need to look at. There's an alert in there that you need to look at. Yeah, BIVI has been an absolute monster. Oof, very impressive. Again, so it looks like drug is failing at that level, right? So that's not a major surprise. Like 49 is nice, but you want to be careful around 55 because there might be a problem there. Captain, or should I mute each or should I mute? No, I would just those alerts. I would just look for the alerts. Like it sends you an alert to your phone, like when someone sends like an announcement like that. So you should be getting those. Should be getting them. BIVI is all over the place here. HKD. Are you just spamming names now, Jimmy? Can't be looking at all those names. You know that, right? What time frame is that? Let me see. Interesting. So there goes your fail for now. Same thing with drug, right? Drug is failing on resistance. Not a big surprise there. Looks like NKGN is curling. Let me look at Apple though. Apple break even. Interesting. Very interesting. Apple double tops there. Very interesting apples. For some reason, my charts are super delayed. Slowly loading. Slowly loading. Do, do, do. Interesting. Yeah, let's move on here. GNPX on halted, guys. Yeah, so your next resistance is 92-ish for GNPX. Your next support, right? So we can stay above that, and then good, good. Drug is still trying to decide what it wants to do, but at least for now, we kind of know where that bottom is at. Looks like Apple finally loaded. Is it only loading on a? There you go. Okay. Mr. I have a call option on NVIDIA to hit 145 by November 1st. Okay. Uh, Looking good so far. This is your move into and you hope you bought a couple more. Okay, sounds good. Let me take a look. November 1st, 145s. Yeah. I mean, Nvidia is at all time highs, right? Nvidia. So all time highs. It looks good. So you should be nice and green today. Nice and green. And hopefully we can get there by by this week, so you don't have to wait till November 1st. But congratulations. There's another stock called Mullen, but like it's an O instead of a. Hmm, interesting. Very interesting. Do, do, do. Mm, okay. Keep an eye on it. Yeah, drug is back to 55. Yup. GNPX is actually back all the way to $1.09 again. Meerkat, what's your position? What did you get in at? What's your? I just want to know what your question actually is, and so I'm not guessing. ISPC, that's a nice curl, right? 750. Interesting. Very, very interesting. It looks like drug is getting back above 55. Yeah, GNPX looking good. Jordan, yeah. Yeah, ISPC just halted up, it looks like. So right below resistance, but it's halted up. Yeah. Uh, You're in at 14? Well, you see what I mean, Meerkat? Again, you see the difference between. Again, I don't know why you would buy that thing at $14, 14.50, right? That's why we say invest in yourself, invest in yourself, right? So we have our members buying at 8 cents and 9 cents, right? It's served on a plate for you to eat, right? Whereas you're buying at 14.50, right? So they're selling and you're buying, right? That just cost you more than the price of membership for however many months or however big your position is, right? That just cost you more than the price of membership. So opportunity cost. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It depends. It depends what you're looking for, Jordan. Depends. It depends, right? Are you just looking for options, or you're looking for like signals and whatever else? 2250s. Uh, so let's see. I wonder if the 4 hour time frame actually gives me a bit more in terms of like resistance. Kind of does. Kind of does. Kind of. You like monies? Yeah, then you're looking for legend, Jordan. Legends. Yeah, legends. Upgrade to legends. Unless you're needing like a one on one and then do goats. Alrighty. So there goes GNPX halted up at brand new highs. Anybody still holding this one in the chat? 207%, guys. Sheesh. That was a pretty good retest actually. Pretty good retest. Yep. It's salted again, Nemo. Salted up. And drug just keeps failing at 55, 56, right? So I don't think we're really surprised that it's doing that, but it's annoying. Annoyings. I want to look at a different time from an app. Just want to see what it's doing. Yeah. There's still a little bit of like room on that chart though. Still a little bit of room there. Still a little bit of room there. Uh, 104 on the dip. Let's go, Lori. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Ooh, Apple is cooking actually. Cooking. Let me look at the 15-minute chart here for Apple because they're probably using that to drag the market up. Using it to drag the markets up. Okay. Some energy. Well, it just filled that resistance, Samuel, right? So we have that line there for a reason. 740. So it's going to need to break above that. GNPX is still halted, so just waiting for that. SYTA again, Yogi. Oh, did you do the 200 again in the demand zone? Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot, Yogi. Nice curl, low twos. Yeah, beautiful. So I think we were actually asking for this earlier, right? Can we come all the way back to $2? It did. I just wasn't paying attention. Yeah, well done. I was not paying attention. Missed that. 27. Okay. Yeah, good curl. So $2.30 resistance for this one for SYTA. $2.30. GNPX still waiting for the on halt. Mm. You got stopped out? Okay. Yeah, Yogi sold as well from 209. Yeah, $2.30. Yeah, that thing has a bit of resistance there, anyways. So that's not horrible. Not horrible. Apple looks nice, doesn't it? It's quickly approaching the that double top. So quickly approaching it. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Uh, yeah, 186. Safe. What could be a stop? Well, yeah, Peter answered your question already. Ooh, Grim, I like it. Not sure if I told you I'm doing a 10K to 100K challenge just to see if I can do it. Yeah, you should do it. Let's go, Grim. I like it a lot. That's a really good idea. You should do it. I like it. Let's go, Pablo. Ayo, ayo. Is it on halted? Yeah, GNPX is on halted. That thing went all the way to $2.45. My goodness. So congratulations. Congratulations. So is in the bank so far. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you should do that challenge. It's gonna be fun. Just don't do a 100K to exactly. No, that's a 10. 10 is a good amount to do it with. Good amount. La 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 la. Yeah, that's usually how it is. Yeah, APVO with a nice pop. Okay, there we go. 145 again on this one. GNPX is a monster. Mm. NBY. Do I look different? I'm wearing a beanie because I was feeling a little bit chilly this morning, and then I got a haircut. So maybe that's the difference. Hello, Nisi. So yeah, GNPX beautiful run. Congratulations, everybody. Oof, oof, what a beautiful run. Again, even at the open, this thing was still at 50 cents, and then it broke out and said, "Thanks, guys, goodbye," and then crawled back above the nine. Right, beautiful. So now it's stalling right below $1.50. So really good run. Really, really good run. No, that was before pizza when I needed a haircut. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A Bollywood star. Yes, I was trying to pull out an accent, but yeah. But I could not. Don't listen to Peter J. I can't. I would need help from Tesh Grim. Keep low floating on your the last 3 months. Get huge pumps whenever they have news. Okay, I'll take a look. Are we finally finding a bit of support on GRI here around $1.30? Maybe clear downtrend though, but and a lot of resistance. Maybe. Why are you gay? Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you gay? Why are you gay? Anyways, Xenon, Xenon Medical. Yeah, this one had a crazy run the last month too, Pablo. Post split. This is one of those where you just have to set an alert, which is exactly what I will do. An alert for a break of $4. Break of $4, Pablo. Okay, perfect. Thank you, thank you. I bet you that stupid alert just went off. What happens when you have these floats with like annoying. Mm, No, 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 no. No, no, no. Here we go. Do I think it's a good entry? I think you're fine as long as we stay above 12 cents. Yeah, as long as we stay above 12 cents, you're kind of green in your position for now, right? As long as we stay above that 200 EMA on the daily, not the daily, but on that time frame, right? This little white line here. As long as we stay above that, you should be okay. My charts are resetting. This, Diaz, that thing said, excuse me. Yeah, said no, thank you. Right below. What's drug doing? Yeah, drug actually had a pop to 56, but obviously couldn't close above it. But just going back and forth for now. Why does it seem so weird this morning? Yeah, this one looks like it's about to get slapped too. GNPX. Yeah, around $1.20, Jason. Yep. But again, you can see it's T-Rexing anyways, right? With a supply zone at a psychological resistance level. So like gains should be secured at some point, right? Is GOVX any good? I'll take a look in a second. Yeah, it is. It's holding that 130, trying to. APVO. Yeah, no, that thing has been pumping for a little bit now. It's been pumping for a little bit. APVO. Yeah, 110%. Yep. I wonder when that thing first. That thing's been getting spammed all over Discord, hasn't it? Yup. Yeah, that thing was first posted at 33%. Well, it's at 106% now. So it's been cooking, Queen. Paid off 13%. You're welcome, Seymour. Congratulations. Well done, skis. Is it halted down? Yeah. Yeah, that thing just looked like it was getting ready to be slapped, anyways, right? Whenever you see this, is what we call the T Rex, right? It's T Rexing. You're about to see blood. And so Yeah, when you see a stock stalling like that and it's you can see it turning around, right? Turning around, slap, surprise. Not really. And that's what I say. Like you always, for the most part, like yeah, exactly. You always get those warning signs, right? It's not very often that a stock just goes to the abyss without warning you first, and that's a clear warning sign. Right? You have the golden candle, you have the red zone, you have the break below the 9 EMA. You have all these candles just sitting there. That's enough warning signs. Um, yeah, that is enough. Do, 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 do. Q. Yeah, that was a nice. That's a nice push. Very nice push. I wonder if that thing. Yeah, it just made new highs of the day. 122% for APVO. Very nice. You did, Abdu? Hmm. What did you buy at? You diamond handed that thing, didn't you? What did you buy that thing at? T-Rex. Is it curling? Yeah, trying to. Trying to. Right up to 50. Yeah. $5.50. Crazy volatility. Hey, Didi. Crazy volatility. There it goes, though. There you go. 660. Yeah. Good curl. Very good curl. Is the market still? Yeah. Tech is nice and green today, but the market itself kind of struggling. And then BTC is not hot. You bought it at $2.30. I mean, you're not that far off, unless you took a massive position, which you don't want to be doing. Yeah, we did lesson learned. Yeah, yeah, because it's not that far away from 230. Again, unless you took a bigger position, don't do that though. Don't change it. Don't change your strategy, Abdu, because the market will punish you for changing it. No. 225. Yeah, Apple is looking good again. What time frame is this? Oof, that was nice for Mara actually. That was quite nice for some puts for Mara. Right at $8.80. Yeah, that's if Bitcoin decides to go to the abyss though. Hasta luego, pizza. Hasta luego. Hasta mañana. Okay. Later. APVO, some profit taking, yeah. Profit taking. Something needs to give us a rally. Something needs to give us a rally. Uh, Interesting. IVP. Okay, let me get rid of this here. IVP. It's a good pop. Yeah, big size. You sold at $2.10. Yeah, do try not to do that, right? Yeah, try not to get bigger positions. Josh always says this: just because you make more doesn't mean you need to trade. You need to trade more, right? When you double the value of your accounts, don't add to your position and think that okay, I made my daily goal is $500, but I could double that really easily. The market will humble you quickly, really, really quickly. IVP. Uh, yeah, absolutely, Jericho. Yeah, into larger positions. Yeah, the market will always make you regret trying to level up too quickly. Uh, okay. Nikolai, can you take a look at ILLR? You think it's due for a move? Sure, sure can. I like have a good time, but know when to jump out exactly, Dan. ILLR. Thriller. Ooh, what is this? This chart is so weird. I don't know what to do with this chart, Nikolai. I don't know what to do with this. I mean, it does look like, if this stock is from China, the stock might cook. It's from California. Anything and very useless, just like Peter. Good thing he left. Very useless. California. Um, I mean, you can see that it's slowly curling up, and the volume is increasing as well. So I can clearly see what you're looking at. It's just a tough chart to read because there's not a whole lot of information. Yeah, it was AGBA JR. Oh, okay, criminals. They just changed the name so they could scam under a different umbrella, huh? Unbelievable. I hate when companies do that. They're like, oh, let's change the name. No, no, Nikolai. It wasn't seven. It was just a split. Yeah. Oh, this is the thriller stuff. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is like no, 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 no. This is like when people were like, "Oh my goodness, BBIG is gonna get banned, so let's buy a BBIG." What happened to BBIG? The stock got delisted, and TikTok is still alive. So, but anyways, it does look interesting though. Like the volume is slowly coming in. Yeah. So I think for me, like I would want to see this thing get back above $4 and consolidate. So just set alerts for above $4, Nicola. If it breaks back above $4, that's a good thing, right? Because the volume seems interesting actually. Like it's ready to cook or something. So it has some of the right ingredients. It just has a scam history. Exactly, Captain. So these companies that changed their name, like, oh yeah, we merge. Oh yeah, sure. Anyways, but yeah, so watch $4 and then 427. So if it breaks above those two levels, it might be time to cook. So yeah, just set alerts for now. I'm gonna set one too, actually. I'm gonna set an alert at $4.20. Then let's see what happens. Because you never know. Drug looks like garbage. Drug is getting slapped to the downside. Slapped. But again, drug has done really well, guys. Right, really, really well. From $1 to $80 in like 2 weeks is impressive. Right, so congratulations if you made money in this one. There's no regrets at all. Right, even if it ends up going to the abyss. Yeah. Oh wow. So as soon as we talk about it, someone just promoted into the stock. Nikolai, was this you? Oh my goodness. My alert is about to go off, isn't it? Already on ILL. There it is. There it is. It didn't actually hit though. That's a stupid thing. So I set the alert because I want to see this level broken. Right? Sometimes when it gets really close to the alerts, it just sets them off. Because the bids go to that level, so I'm gonna have to set another one right above it. So yeah. So I mean, again, if we can get 370, as long as it stays about 365, we'll see if we can break above 420. Alrighty, Nikolai. Is drug halted down? Yeah. No, it's not. It just looks like rubbish. ISPC just going sideways here, isn't it? I hope this doesn't become a boring week. Your accounts. Why Jack Wolf? What did you buy? GNPX is the next wolf. GNPX has actually done really well today. It's actually done really, really well. Looks like it's about to break above the previous double top there, isn't it? Ah, this thing is definitely giving those vibes today. Definitely giving vibes today. So $1.50 is next there for you on GNPX. That chart actually looks really nice. That's a good curl. A very good curl. Still early, Ryan? Yeah. Also, I think, I say that, but GNPX looks really nice, doesn't it? So, yeah, maybe this is going to be the one. There goes 48. It actually tapped $1.50 and then backed off. And it's going again. 150 going once, going twice, and sold. So a nice little breakout if it can close above. GNPX 265%. My goodness. What a beauty. An absolute beauty. Actually, that one was one. Yeah, perfect. GNPX. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on this one for now because it looks like the most promising name. Uh, GNPX. What broker are you moving to? I from Schwab. Mm, Schwab. I mean, there's Webull, right? There's Webull. There's so many interactive brokers. TD. There's so many brokers that you could move to if you wanted to move. $1.50. Break, 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 break. Why? What didn't you like about Schwab, Katie? What didn't you like about it? Exactly, Dan. Yep. If you're still holding GNPX, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding this one, uh, I need to zoom out and look at the daily because I'm not quite sure what that looks like. Drug is somehow back above $50 again. My goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I want to zoom out here really quickly. Mm. What is that? 180, and then $2 and 220. Yeah, I think has a lot of room to the upside. Pretty small stock to 2.4, 2.5 million shares. Average volume is 1.66 million. It's already at 100 million today. So clearly that thing's been cooking. Clearly it's been cooking, right? So congratulations. There goes new highs of the day, 290%. Oof, 290%. It hit your stop loss, Lori? Dang. I think it's great. I also use Webull and Cobra. Never heard of Cobra. Cobra. Uh, Come on, send it. There goes new highs of the day for GNPX. Ooh, congratulations, Will. Yeah, Lori, that's annoying. Where did you actually I think I know where your stop loss was at. There goes new highs, 164. $1.64. 168. Hamza, good job. Well done. Here comes 170. Yeah, yeah. 170. $1.70. Troy, good morning. Is that pissing you off? Are you using a different broker? But you weren't you up like? Didn't you make 18 on the other trade manifest? 72. Oh yeah, it's halted at 172. That's why. $1.72. So you were up over 25 and you're up and you didn't sell anything so you could stay above 25K manifest. Unbelievable. Some of you guys, if I could slap you through the computer, I'd be, I would start with Dan, but anyways, manifest, you definitely be getting a slap from me. Never went over 25. I saw you early, but you said you're up like 100 on something, right? You're up 100 on on drug, right? That's what I mean. Come at me, bro. Uh, Ryan, how's your morning? Are you of I sold it early and could have been, oh, you sold early. Okay, could have been 193. Ah, I see. Don't worry about it, manifest. There's going to be more names, right? There will be more and more and more. Um, but again, uh, you did really well though. So to be at 23, right? So don't worry about it. Yeah, don't worry about it. You made a few $1,000 instead of $193,000. It's annoying, but yeah, exactly. You made $20,000. $20,000 instead of 193. Yeah, it's annoying, but you did well. Looks like GRI has done a really good job there, Ryan, consolidating off that 130. So I don't know if you took a position, but it looks good, right? $1.30. That would have been really nice. 160 now. Uh, yeah, okay. You should be okay. Drug is just playing with $50 for now. I'm not sure which way it's going to end up going. And then obviously GNPX is still halted up. Mm, okay. Uh, starting. Okay, let's see. 1 second. One second. Okay, perfect. You think SPY found the bottom? Wow, I'm very surprised you said that. Let me take a look ski. Yeah, it's the same bottom from last week, isn't it? Yeah, Spy's been doing this rubbish for quite some time now. From the top to the bottom, right? So maybe it really has found a bottom. Maybe it really has, right? Maybe. But this has been the range since last week with the S&P. So, yup, maybe that is the bottoms. Uh, so yeah, let's see if it stays above that bottom. So 582, 582.20. Troy, 582. So that on the left hand side, what is that? That's Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Monday. Thursday, Friday, Monday range. No. Is it halted down now? Oh, it is. Yeah, it popped all the way to 185 and then halted down a few pennies below the actual last halt price. Let's go, Samuel. Let's go. You're in at 9 cents holding ZPTA. Yeah, take a look. Yeah, looks like we feel that resistance here, Nikolai, for ILLR. So really nothing there yet. I know these guys are getting delisted or something like that on the 25th. CPTA. Be very careful. Be very, very, very careful. Right. So you're in at 9 cents. It's not that bad. It has some really good support at 8.20. So 8 cents basically. Right. As long as it stays above 8 cents. If it goes below 8 cents, uh, get on your knees and put your hands together and cry and start doing this, start praying hard that this.
Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe.
Yeah, just like that. So again, I think they're getting delisted. Is it the 20? Is it the when are they getting delisted again? Let me take a look. Yeah, so October 25th is when they're getting delisted. So this week, right? So be very careful with this thing. Be very, very, very careful, right? ZPTA, they're getting delisted on the 25th. So if this thing doesn't run soon, you will feel the pain of something that's painful. Alrighty. And I'm pretty sure like if by the 24th it's not pumping, people are going to start dumping it to 5 cents. So for now, again, 8 cents is fine. Watch it really closely. If it doesn't start pumping soon, you have a problem. Um, yes, the 25th manifest. So halted down. Damn. It's not that big of a drop, is it? So I think for now, GNPX is definitely number one. Right? Okay, cool. The next question was from what do you think of ADTX? ADTX had a nice little pop this morning, right? And then gave away those gains. Yeah, this morning it had a really nice pop all the way to what, $1.40. So what do I think about this? Well, so if you look at any time frame after the split, because they did a split not too long ago, it's done a pretty good job holding $1, right? That's the lowest it's been. All-time low for this stock post splitting is $1. That's the lowest it's been, right? So now that it's sitting at $1.11, you cannot let this thing go below $1. If you let it go below a dollar, if you let this thing go below a dollar, oh Lord.
Jaden has $1 bill, 1 quarter, and 2 pennies. How much money does he have? Jaden broke.
Yeah, just like that, just like that. If you let that thing go below $1, yeah, this video is gonna play in your dreams, in your nightmares, you know. So yeah, just be careful, please. For now, it's fine. It better stay above $1 though, and then squeeze for you. So I don't mind it. Like this is not a bad play as long as you make sure it stays above $1. Uh, once, alrighty. Okay. I'm not sure what your position is. Just make sure it stays above $1. Otherwise, otherwise, any other stocks you guys would like for me to look at? It's unhalted. GNPX. Okay, it's about to. Yeah. Yep. 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 uh, no, Kivella, I will only play it again if there's another stock that looks like rubbish. Come on, GMPX, go up, 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 up. Yeah, it looks like we're T-Rexing a little bit at 175, but holding the 9 EMA though, so that's still okay. 173 going once, 177 going twice, 180. Come on now, cook. So this is definitely number one for now. If we can stay above the 9 EMA, right? You can see that it's still trying to decide what it wants to do though, because it's still in the same range. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we'll come back to this. Take a look at AL. Okay. So again, GNPX is definitely number one for now, right? Definitely the number one stock. There goes 188, guys. Woof, that thing looks beautiful. Beautiful. Congratulations if you're still in this one, guys. Right? Congratulations, because that thing has been cooking. 190, new highs of the day for this one. 360%. Woof. Is it halted now? Yeah, it's halted up. If you're still holding GNPX, type in yes in the chat. Halted at $1.90. If you're still holding this, type in yes in the chat. Do, 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 do. And then, and then, and then I'm going to pull up a whole bunch of screenshots for you guys. Alrighty? A whole bunch of screenshots. And then I'll show you guys why it's important to join Discord. Alrighty? It's just a few screenshots, just a few. Just a tiny few. Okay? Before we go, I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna leave this screenshot right there. Just gonna leave that screenshot right there. Actually, no, this one. Yeah. Leave it right there. I keep clicking on the wrong damn screenshot. Just leave it right there, so you can tell what you're missing out on. Okay. So you can tell exactly what you're missing out on when I pull up the other screenshots. Do, 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 do. Okay, I need to delete one of these. One of these. Okay. Okay. Do you guys see these screenshots from last week? Do you guys see the screenshot from last week? That's just one, right? So again, GNPX is not a name that we missed, was it? It was not a name we missed, right? What was that? 38 cents. I know my screenshot is blurry, right? Were we watching this, guys? Like hawks? We were, right? Were we? Yeah. Okay. Is that another screenshot, guys? At a later time in the day? Yeah, has some potential for after hours. Well, that was at 40 cents at the time, right? Were we still watching this, guys? Yeah, was Grim awake, the Australian criminal, waking up this morning early, right? Taking a starter here at 7 a.m. just for information. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Does that feel like missing out? That's a picture of Grim, by the way. That's a picture of Grim. Um, you know. uh, that's a picture of Grim early in the morning. Anyways. Do, 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 do. Uh, do, 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 do. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Copy. Do, 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 do. We did not miss out. Okay. Do, do, do. There we go. Jaden's. Yes, that's me. That's me. Yes, it is Grim. Can I take a look at save? I know I need to look at the other one too. I need to look at the other one too. That Raven mentioned. Mm, 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 mm. Once again. Uh, there we go. We're going for $2. It looks like it's almost behaving like it's halted, isn't it? Again, but it's not. No, 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 no. There goes $2. 285%. Woof! What an absolute beauty. What an absolute beauty. 270%. Jaden's cousin. Yeah, from the village though, Kimbella. Yeah, that's the yeah. So don't forget to pay yourself on the way up, guys. 400% is nothing to So it does look amazing though. So if you want to move your stop loss up, but at the very least, you should do that. At the very very least, you should be doing that. So yeah, congratulations if you made monies in this one. And again, if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots, right? Um, there's not a name that runs in the market that we're not aware of, right? So again, clearly you can see that we were waiting for this one to go, right? From 30 something cents, right? We had alerts, right? And we mentioned again, this one has after hour potential. That was on Friday, right? So, and then again this morning, right? All of these guys were ready to go, right? If it clears 63 cents, well, you want to know how long 63 cents ago was? Right. So we were not on stream when all these messages were being posted. Right. So if you're not a member yet, stop missing out. Yeah, it's halted down now. Right. Pay yourself on the way up 400%, $2 from 30 cents, 40 cents, all the way to $2, guys. That's a pretty nice run. So, yeah. Uh, exactly. Maybe time for yep. Yeah, it looks like IVP is cooking again, isn't it? Wherever it is. IVP. The S&P broke below the bottom of the range there, it looks like. So maybe 580 there next, Lion. Not Lion, Troy. Perhaps. IVP just hit new highs of the day. Yeah, on that last candle. It might be a double top at 41 cents, but still a nice push though. Good curl. Right. Drop and back above. So there it is looking for new highs. Just needs to close above like 42 cents and then it's 50 cents next. Is it consolidating or is it done? It looks like it's both. Just because you have so much supply that's out there, but it's doing a good job holding $5.50. I just don't trust it. It looks like somebody could slap that thing to the face. But for now though, so 550, 560 is your next support wheel. Alrighty. IVP. Wanting more. I was very surprised though, Troy. Very surprised. Very, very surprised. Uh, okay, perfect. You're hoping for Eddie? Yeah. Yeah, the only obstacle with that one is that it has a bigger float. So taking its sweet, sweet time. The S&P is getting slapped. Slapped. I wonder if Apple is doing the same thing. Apple getting slapped. Yeah. So it looks like it's failing at the that double top. Uh, okay. And then GNPX is still halted down. So just waiting. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. The only thing Grim, that it forgot to do was bring all his employees with him. Before you leave that office, Grim. Ooh, Bitcoin is at 67. What a slacking. Anyways, before you leave the office, you need to leave a note so they follow you. You can't just leave like that and leave all your fellow employees. You've brought one so far. Is that Eddie? Is it Eddie? Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, let's see. Are we okay? On halted, guys. GNPX. Yeah, bit of weakness here, but holding the 9 EMA. So that little blue line you see at the bottom there, that's your next support. That is your next support. No. 191. Mm, okay. Uh, as it. Okay. Jacob. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Well done, Hamza. Yeah, looks like we'll halt it down again. Halt it down again. IVP looks interesting, doesn't it? It's kind of giving vibes. If this thing can maintain this, momentum into the end of the day, Grim, it might be another one of those swings. No. Okay. Do you still need me to look at the other one, Raven? ALCE? I completely forgot. ALCE. Yeah, yeah. No, Grim, I agree. I agree. You have too many things. Ooh, that definitely looks like a bottom feed, doesn't it, Raven? Hmm. What's the float post split here? 470,000 shares. That is not bad at all. It's not doing anything, but I would not be surprised if these guys did something. Let's see how much cash they have. See how much cash they have. 3.9 million. 86% insider held. Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely something. If the volume can kick in, I think that's the only thing it's missing. If it's missing the volume, it's only 81,000 shares. So if at some point the volume can kick in, somebody just FOMOed into this. Someone just did a little FOMO on this one. But we will keep a close eye on it, especially at the end of the day. Especially at the end of the day. Alrighty, so there's really no rush on this one. Uh, okay. Grim? Yeah. 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 Irresistible. Yeah, it just needs the volume. It doesn't have it for now. So at some point, if the volume can come in, that would be nice. IVP is cooking. That thing is not gonna wait for us, Grim. At the end of the day, nah, that thing is like, yeah, we cook now. IVP is like, we cook now, guys. We cook now. We cook now. Congratulations if you're in this one. Ready? This thing has been cooking for some time now. So congratulations. 50 cents should be your next little obstacle here. It's like obstacle, yeah, right. You can obstacle on these. Oof. So 109%. Not bad. Not bad at all. Starter, okay. 53. Yeah, so like you could almost like dollar cost towards like $2, right? If it stays above $2. Yeah, it's gone grim. It's like, oh, you guys wanted to look at me at the end of the day? Yeah, okay. Let's see. Let's see if I'm still here at the end of the day. Yeah, it just looks good though. So looks good. IVP 55 cents. La 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 la. Let's go. Let's go, IVP. Woof. 67, 57, guys. Cooking, IVP. Cooking. 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 Again, this is the type of stuff you guys miss when we're not on stream. So if you're not a member yet, don't know what to tell you. Ready? Don't know what to tell you. Click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. There goes 59. Not yet. Walter, yes, yes, yes. Don't forget to pay yourself though. Right? These are all pump and dumps. I just bought it when you all mentioned it. Up $200 already manifest. Congratulations. Well done. Here comes 60 cents. Somebody was listening, Grim. They're like, oh, yeah? Not happening. Anyway, so 60 cents and then a bit of a bit of resistance. Well done, Sky. Sky got in at 50 cents. Nice little pop. Mm, 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 mm. And then profit taking. Good. 41. Okay, yeah, you have a really good entry. Really, really good entry. They're spying on us, Grim. I mean, why wouldn't they, you know? Why wouldn't they when we're cooking this much? You know, send the spies. As long as the spies bring monies, you know? As long as the spies bring monies. Yeah, we're getting a bit of a that was a good run though. That was a good breakout from 41. Breakout, boomski, 60 cents. So at some point we have to come back and retest something, right? Uh let me take a look. Okay. Perfect. Is GMPX halted again? Yeah, this time it's halted up. Halted up, Ajay. Yeah, thank you. Drug is a. I don't know what to think of drug. Because it's doing a really good job of just holding those gains, you know. Anyways, IVP retest of the 9 and then bounce back up. So the golden candle again, it's meant to be a reversal candle, Walter. It's meant to tell you that the move is getting exhausted in either direction, up or down, right? So yeah, up or down. Not the best example with this one, but yeah. There's more instructions about the gold candle in the bull bay, how to channel in Discord. Also, there's a video, and then I've explained this a little bit on stream as well. Mm. Where's the days center? I'm not sure I understand. Not sure I understand your question. Down and up, Jimmy. Up and down. Okay. No question, just start kidding. Oh, sounds good. Sounds good. I think we have about like 10 more minutes and then time for me to go do some one-on-one. Some one-on-ones. There goes IVP again. Pop, pop, pop. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. There you go, Walter. Yep. There you goes. For now. For now. I know. Even I'm like I'm almost expecting them to do a second offering, you know? Like have a really solid cash position. But yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Mm, mm, interesting. Drug. Looks like GRI is just sitting there, not really doing much. Not really doing much. Yeah, IVP looks like it's found a lot of resistance right below 60. SYTA, oof, that thing just got slapped. Yep. I mean that's what happens though, right? So if you look to the left hand side, you see how like it's bouncing off that little white line, the 200 EMA, right? Anytime you break below support like that and you try to go up, that level will always become resistance. And to me, the message, the clear message that a stock is dead, to me, is when it bounces off like one level, but then goes below that level. When it comes back up and it fails at that exact same level and it's going down, that stock is dead to me, like completely dead, right? So when it's doing stuff like that, garbage, garbage, garbage. Even if it goes back up, still dead. GRI, at least it's holding. Yeah, at least it's holding $1.30 for now. At least it's holding. Okay, that was ADTX. Yup. A GNPX is on halted, guys, and it's pumping again. So clearly, again, this stock is number one, right? Number one for the day today. Okay. There it goes, 194. I think wants to cook again. Break over 50 cents, 11%. Okay. Sounds good, Wes. Sounds good. Sounds good. Jimmy? Oh, yeah, that's the second time you asked that question. I don't know, right? Is it any good? Is it good because you're in it? Because you're looking for an entry? It looks fine to me. Like if you got this thing anywhere around $2, it looks fine to me. Right? Looks completely okay to me. That would have been a really good entry, actually, right? Consolidating and then pop. So that's almost like what ALCE looks like, isn't it? right? Kind of. Except it doesn't have the history. But anyways, it does look good to me if you're in it already. If you're not in it, then that becomes a bit of a problem because now you're potentially like if you're asking for an entry at this point, I would say kind of hang back a bit and wait for the next breakout or retest or something else. Alrighty, Newsy. News has been failing at 220 since like the kingdom. Anyways, so for today though, your resistance is $2.10 and then 220. Drug still at $52, and then back to GNPX. It does look like we're finding a lot of resistance on this one as well, right below $2 now. You're welcome, Jimmy. Right below $2. So 13 is okay. Well then, okay. IVP saved the day. It's thinking, yeah, thinking of something. Come on, GNPX, give us the breakout. Give us the breakout. Hmm. ELAP is kind of cooking there, isn't it? Another penny stock. ELAP's 31%. Yeah. Okay, so Graham, you're done for the day. Can't wait to not have to worry about work. I know, me too. Me too. Um, yeah, so then you can stay up as late as you want to, and then yeah, night shift, right? No, that's okay, Graham. Just a matter of time, right? No rush at all, especially when you're hitting that daily goal still. Absolutely no rush. Ready? Get some rest. Get some rest, and then see you later. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. Ready? Good night. Good night. And yes, Graham. Yes. You know what we're gonna talk about on the one-on-one? Australia. When I come visit, where can I go to without snakes and spiders? Anyways, yes. Yeah. Then we can have some one-on-ones, Grim. Fire. Love it. Get some rest. Much love. Your house? Yes. Yes. Just make sure you get another bike. And then we can drive to Eddie. Anyways, have a wonderful night. Chat soon. Just wait, guys. As soon as Grim disappears, just watch. Something is gonna go boom skis. I'm just kidding. Catch you later. Good night. Good night. IVP VWAPs. VWAPs. To midnight, Will? Yeah, you do. Yes, you do. Or to the UK, so you can be done work and then the market opens at like 4 p.m. You can trade till like 9 p.m. and everything is still okay. Yeah, Europe does. Yeah, yeah. Move to the UK, will. You're gonna have the best trading hours ever. Best trading hours. Yes. Can Xenon cook? Yeah, it can. Will it cook? No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Going to Hawaii every winter, but the trading hours are brutal. Yeah, that's why Oksana in Discord lives in. She trades options. She lives in Hawaii, but yeah, you can tell the hours are not the best. Lumens, Carl's, yeah, that thing had a big float. I think there's a reason why we really haven't like paid any attention to it today on stream. Is it might be good for longer, but it's not one of those names that you can expect to go boom skis. IVP is doing really well, bouncing up the view up. Uh, Return to halt. Yeah. What's GNPX doing again? It's halted again, guys. My goodness, that thing was just at 195 and then boom, halted at 170. Too many games. Too many games. As soon as we leave the stream, GNPX is gonna be like, "Yup, time to cook." Let's give it one more on halt, guys, and then we can call it a day and go back to Discord. Alrighty? Yeah, up and down game. Yeah, let's give it one more on halt, and then we can leave and go back to Discord and go continue the party and wait for Martin to join us. Have this they halt. I know, Kimbella, I know the reason why it's doing that is because they're using, so sometimes when the brokers like do the halt, they might use like the current price. I don't know what the deal is, honestly, but they use the current price, right? So if it goes up quickly 10-15% with like depending on the current price, right? Sometimes though these brokers will keep it on the same stupid price from the previous day, so then every little move is halting, right? So for example, like 30, like this stock was 35 cents on Friday, right? 40 cents, whatever, right? 40 cents on Friday. So yes, any bit of movement here today should be halting the stock. So I bet you they still have it locked on like the last price, last close. It does not, Martin. Discord community legend and goats, Martin. You should be a legend, Martin, because you're a legend, Become a legend, come join us. You're missing out. You see what you're missing out on, Martin? Drug is still looking okay. So IVP is still fighting. And then the other one we talked about is still just sitting there. So the sold out level does not give you access to Discord. Sheesh, Nvidia is green in a sea of red today. Sea of redness. Ooh, the entire market turned red, guys. The entire market said, "Hey guys, remember me? Yeah. You want to see redness? I show you redness." Growth. What's your position in UAVS? Let me know. What's your entry price? And don't click on them. Yes, exactly. Exactly. When it says sold out, don't. Again, there are other levels. Not necessarily shady, Kimbella. Honestly, we don't know, right? We don't know if like it's just long again because the broker like they're not going to be able to manage every stock that's halting, right? So they have to the computer has to do it, right? So I don't know. No entry thinking of getting in. Okay, I'll take a look. So GNPX is on halted, guys. On halted growth. I'll take a look in a second. So again, if you want to become a member, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Scroll down. It's going to say soda one, soda two, soda three. Don't get any of those levels. Get the other ones. Alrighty. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. While we're waiting for that, GNPX looks good to me still. Like no concerns at all. Let me take a look. GRI doesn't look again, Ryan. It just needs to stay above $1.30. Then UAVS, right? You're looking for an entry. UAVS. You're thinking about getting into this. Okay. I mean, I already don't like what it's doing. But the all-time low for this thing, like when I say all-time low, I mean like all-time low, like all-time low with the splits, split adjusted is $2.11, which it hit today. So if you get into this thing, do not let it break below 210, right? Put a stop. Well, I mean, you could put a stop loss at 209 or something. So if you're feeling like taking a bit of a gamble, right? It might be bottoming. Like it might be the last few days it's been trying this level, right? So if you do try that, make sure it doesn't break below. Otherwise, if you let that thing break below $2.10 or $2, you want to know what's going to happen? Oof. That's exactly what's going to happen, just like that. Just like that. So, yeah, don't let that thing break below support because I mean, think about it. This is what this is the second split. Yeah, 20. So that this is the second split this year alone, right? So clearly the company's garbage. So don't let it catch on fire. IVP just broke out, guys. IVP broke 60 cents. I know crazy guys. I know crazy. They go 62 cents, 63.50. 154% for IVP. Looking hot. Looking hot. 64 incoming. Yeah, that's beautiful. From 24 cents. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So congratulations if you got into this thing. Very, very nice. Yeah, looks like it's about to test 65. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody still holding IVP in the chat? Anybody? That was a good curl too, actually. That was a really good curl. Very good curl. The stock is beautiful in terms of like the way that it's behaving with the levels. If you're a gold member, you most likely know exactly what I'm talking about when I say plan A, right? That was beautiful. Plan A, wasn't it? Right? Any goats in the chat? Right? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Easy monies on this one if you were paying attention, right? And then boom skis, new highs. GNPX really isn't doing anything yet. It's still in that same range. Still in that same range. Beautiful. Hmm. Oh no, GMPX is halted down again. Halted down again. Let's go, Kimbella. Let's go, let's go. If you're still in IVP, type in yes in the chat. If you're still in there, type in yes in the chat. Yeah, you got in at 41 cents, so you should be. Where do you have a stop loss? Manifest. There you go, 66. Yeah, it's a bit silly at this point. If they're gonna keep halting it every 2 seconds like that, I think people just people just give up on it. You know, drug is doing okay still, $54. Right, so I've done a good job holding the levels. That's way too many halts. Way too many halts. Here comes 67. And there you go, 68. Very nice. Manifest is smiling. Just smiling. IVP. Drug is at 55. Yes. Yes. Here comes 56. When $80 is the only question. When $80. Yeah. Yeah, just make sure you put like again, you have a really good entry manifest. So put a stop loss somewhere, right? Okay, let's see if there's anything else I like before we hop off. Okay. Uh, yeah, maybe 60, 70, 80 drug. Yep. Especially above 50. They go 69 for IVP, 70 cents. Oof. My days. Shish, IVP. 72. Oh my goodness. 188%, guys. uh, be nice to YouTubes. Be nice to YouTubes, guys. Be nice. 72. There are a lot of penny stocks actually moving. APVO is moving. NITO is also moving. Everything wants to cook, you know. Here comes 74. Oof. 74. 109. 200%. Oof. 201. My goodness. Cook. There you go. 79. 216%. Wow. Damn. Shush. Here comes 80 cents. 82. That's a beautiful run. Beautiful run. Uh yeah. IVP. Yeah, now I don't even remember. I do not remember. Let me see if I can search. IVP's mostly been uh yeah, IVP's mostly been the the beautiful bot today. That's what I mean, right? If we miss something, the bot does not miss it, right? Which is why, again, the tools are really, really important. There goes 240%, guys, IVP. Oof. My goodness. Where you going, Raven? Who said you could leave? Where are you going? Let's see. Okay. Too bad. And you just yeah, you manifest, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, we were talking again, Grim and I were talking about this one because thinking about a swing play, right? Because we again, swing plays come at the end of the day, right? But we were kind of saying, hey, if this thing can just stay around this 40 cents all day long, we're gonna look for this as a swing play. Wow. I mean, that thing hurt us. It's at 40 cents. Yeah, right. From 40 cents to 80 cents. That thing is up 100%. So yep. Go on, Skis Line. Good morning. Hello, hello. Is it halted down again? I think, I think people are just tired of this rubbish, GNPX. That's too much, right? Like it just, if it's going to keep halting, like it was a beautiful stock, right? But if it's going to keep halting every 2 cents, that becomes a little bit frustrating. Drug still looks okay, right? Um, so nothing too concerning about that. I mean, look at IVP. Like IVP is cooking like this, no halt, right? The difference though is like stocks are not allowed to be halted below 75 cents or something like that. So this one's been below 75 cents, the entire time. So it just finally crossed it. Maybe the closer it gets to a dollar, and then those halts are gonna come. Yeah, exactly, Jimmy. Let's go. Yeah, 10:32, right? So an hour after the open, yeah. So again, that's why we like the bots. Uh, uh, no. There goes some profit taking on that one. Profit taking on that thing. GNPX, no, still halted down. Yeah, back to IVP here. Yeah, and ITO is another one, guys, right? All these penny stocks seem to be getting some love, right? So this one's up to the heights of the day as well. It seems like there's a lot of resistance at 35 cents though, but good run, good run. Let's go. Yi. Did you sleep in? You slept in, didn't you? You slept in. La 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 la. La 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 la. There we go. They don't seem to be news. Why the big rally sin? No, there isn't. There isn't a catalyst. It's just a breakout, and it's just volume coming in. So on average, this thing trades 3.4 million shares a day. Right today, it's 114 million. Right, and we've only been the market's been open for 2 hours. Right, so or something like that. So just again, not every stock that rallies needs a catalyst, right? And even when a stock has a catalyst, the most important thing is that volume, right? So try not to like always pay attention to the volume. Even when a stock has a catalyst, we immediately say, okay, is it moving at all? Like, is there volume, right? A company could say we're going to cure cancer, and we're still going to sit there and say, how come nobody's buying it, right? So yeah. La, 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 la. Yeah. Yeah, oh, the weekend, yeah, with the big bucks, yeah, yeah. Yeah, he was partying. Oh, let's see. NITO. Ooh, NITO is cooking there, guys. Ooh, that thing destroyed 35 cents like it was nothing. My goodness, these penny stocks are cooking today. Cooking. I'm surprised LGMK didn't give us a bigger rally then. Funny. Uh, Light Bridge. Light Bridge. Is that the bridge? Anyways, IVP still looking okay then. La 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 la. Mm, 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 mm. There you go, 76 cents again. 76 cents. Okay. DBGI, SYTA. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord already. EDBL. Take a look. Let me know if you have any last questions. Ooh, that chart looks nice. It does fit the theme actually. It does fit the theme, and it's sitting nicely there at 20 cents. This stock has a history though. It's nice like when you find a stock that fits the theme but like has no history, right? Um, like has no history of like screwing people over. Just like DBGI. DBGI has a history of sometimes stocks are pumping and then people are like, this stock screwed me before. But no, it does look nice and it's consolidating really well at 20 cents, and it fits the theme. So yeah, something to watch for sure. Yeah, 10%. So the current high is 24 cents. So if it breaks about 24 cents, 25, maybe the cooking is gonna come after that. You're welcome, Kimbella. Let's keep cooking, please. Again, drug is still doing okay as long as that thing stays above, like let's call it $47, 47.50, which is the low of the day. If it can stay above that all day today, it's not done. If drug breaks below 47, then we can start to like shake a little bit if you're in it, right? But for now, it still looks like it's still okay. And then obviously IVP looks okay. GNPX has just been playing games there with us. Thank you, Jericho. Thank you, thank you. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Alrighty. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. Then we're gonna hop off in a minute. Alrighty. Already. And then we mentioned we were gonna watch ALCE as well, right? Yeah, we'll keep this one on watch for now. Again, not really doing anything crazy. Like I said earlier, right? If I was looking for this thing, like we want to see this thing closer to $2.20, closer to the bottom of the range, right? Or simply just a break above, right? Just a breakout. So for now, I'm just gonna leave that range there with some alerts, and then we can look for an entry at some point if it breaks out or if it comes closer to the bottom. Already. And then IVP is still trying to go booms. Still trying, but supply. Thank you, Eric. Thank you. Alrighty, much love, everybody. Thank you for the support. Have a wonderful rest of the day. We'll keep cooking in Discord as usual. If you do become a member at some point, and the link should be in the members only section on YouTube, so just send me an email, hottradesx@gmail. Other than that, have a wonderful day. Be safe. Let's go make some more monies in Discord, please. Alrighty? Bye, guys. Much love. Don't give back the money, Stan. Absolutely. Okay, bye, guys.
Hot trade, building you to the scene. Hot trade, riding the money dream. Hot trade, what's your strategy? Hot trade, come and trade with me. Hot trade, places, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more. Hot trade, always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the game stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill, if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot